What up? We're at the dealership. Last week I posted a video how to plug a motorcycle tire. So I plugged this tire and turns out that it was still leaking. So I've gotten rid of some extra rubber. Didn't want it all to go to waste since I was expecting to get another 2,500 miles out of these tires. Which I'm not going to get. So let some rubber loose, and we're now at the shop to get new Pirelli Diablo Rosso Corsa 2s installed. It's first come first serve Saturdays, and I'm definitely here first, but I might be here too early. So we wait. Practice my karate. Squats. Strapping his wood. Better strap your wood up, buddy. Don't want to leave your wood all over the road. Don't want to slap your wood on the road. Let's see, did the other side open yet? Because now we got cars pulling in. First person in line, boy. Okay, I'm going to wait and get some new tires put on. I'll see you in a second. Alright. Rosso Corsa 2s on the MT-09. Got some grease on it. Got to get these off, so put some miles on the tires. And these tires look good though, man. I like the tread patterns. Hopefully they feel as good as they look. Though it looks like I'm missing a mirror. So let's go find that mirror. Okay. Alright, so the guys at Del Amo, again, pretty easy to work with, man. Mirror popped off, not exactly sure how or where, doesn't really matter, I guess. They are going to replace the mirror though, so that's cool. In the meantime, trying to avoid some debris here, still breaking these tires in, so we're going to take it nice and light through these canyon roads, but I'm excited to see how these tires feel compared to the Bridgestones that were on here before, the Battlax S22s that I did a review of not that long ago. On the street, it's hard to say which tire is better so far. Like, I'm still like kind of blowing the grease off these tires, so I'm trying not to ride too hard. I mean, my first impression of these tires are that they are definitely comparable to, ooh, got some boulders in the road here, the large rocks. Comparable to the Battlax S22s, just as far as the general grip and confidence through the turns. Those Pirellis do use the same, maybe not the same, but a similar tri-pound compound arrangement on the rear tires like the Battlax S22s, so that kind of increased edge grip and then hardness down the center, and a nice soft yet rigid compound kind of in the middle of the tire. Those combine for a nice feel. And I mean, these tires are still pretty fresh, so I'm not really pushing them, but they're not moving through the turns at all. They feel good amount of sensitivity and feedback. I'm tempted to say that the Bridgestones had a little bit better front end feel, but I'm not sure yet. I don't think I can push these tires anywhere near where they're capable of on these canyon roads. I'm sure some riders can, but I mean, so for me, they are, ambulance. They are plenty sufficient for like canyon riding, road riding. I haven't ridden them in any wet weather, so I can't say how they perform on slick surfaces, but so far in these mountains they've been pretty damn good. I'm pleasantly surprised. I don't think that they are lacking anything compared to the Bridgestone Battlax S22s. At the track, pushed to the limit, you might be able to tell where the tires are maybe failing or succeeding compared to each other when you're pushing the tires to the limits. But on the road, they feel just fine. More to come. I'll do a proper review with tire compounds and my thought process when I was buying these. But first glance, Pirelli delivers. Alright, I'll talk to you later.